8 years later, I am finally flying home to India. As much as I'm looking forward to going home, one of the most stressful parts of travel is packing, because you don't want to leave anything behind. The other annoying thing about travel is the waiting for flights, waiting in lines, and the worst waiting of all, waiting for your stuff to come around a conveyor belt. So I've devised a plan. I'm going to try packing everything I need into this one bag. Yeah, it's crazy, but I'm gonna try. After many hours of research and my own short trips away, I found the secret to one bag travel is packing cubes. These magical cubes help you organize your things so they are easy to find. When I'm going on a short trip, I usually just use this Alpaca packing cube. The cube features premium Japanese odor-absorbent mesh that eliminates any unwanted smells, making it perfect for storing your clothes. The cube's light and durable construction makes it easy to carry and use, and with its compact size, you could pack it into your suitcase, your backpack, or even a duffel bag. Since I'm going away for more than 6 weeks, just one packing cubes won't do. And that's how you pack for 6 weeks using only one bag.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm just explaining how you could pack for 6 weeks for a trip to India just using one bag.
Did you forget you have 3 kids going?
Whoops. I hope you liked this video. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. And as always, be true, be you, stay fruitful.